The happiness of unboxing a new gadget. In my opinion, this is simply an indispensable thing today for each of us. This SSD actually is much smaller than I imagined it before. No, I need to connect it differently. This is much better. I'll do it later. Nothing complicated here. You also need to register your product. The MacBook's memory is almost full. The clouds are not longer helping, because I am not satisfied with the speed of their work, especially iCloud. Well, it's very slow. It's time to fix the situation. Catch a life hack: what to do when the memory on the MacBook runs out. I'm also moving the iMovie library directly to the SSD, and I'll edit my projects on it, without taking up space on the Macintosh. iMovie library is already and only on LaCie now. Now I have to check if everything works well. Yes, now everything works great. It remains to transfer files from iCloud to the SSD as well. Now Macintosh can breathe a sigh of relief. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and leave a comment if you found my video useful. I have other interesting videos on my channel. Check them out too. For those who is still watching my video, now I will show you how practically working transferring of this 35.19 GB folder with my 4K 60 and 8K 30 16 videos from my desktop to the SSD. Let's see how many seconds it will take. Now you can see that all the ports on my MacBook are already occupied. The MagSafe charging cable and 2 USB-C. Only the 3.5 jack is free, which I have never used on this laptop of mine, by the way. Later, if I'll need to connect something else, I just should buy some dongle. That's why MacBook Pro is better variant for serious work.